Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your PayPal balance. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to get your PayPal balance is as simple as it seems. You will need just to log in into your account and basically the first thing in the home page you'd see is your PayPal balance. And basically this is just on the website or on the web app. And as you can see, we can start go to the PayPal balance and you can there find a summary or find some insights in your transaction and many other insights. Basically, that's by going to your wallet, or you can simply just find it here on your home. And as you can see, you can start managing your currencies, etc. To do it from your mobile app, you will need to simply go to your to make sure that you have finished setting up your accounts. That means uh, after you created your account, you have linked your debit or credit card and everything, and from there you can start uh, finding your PayPal balance either by going home and uh, going down at the bottom of menu or simply going to manage. So as you can see, this is from where you can get the balance and you can just click on manage so it can take you to your card and rewards and activity, and of course you will start seeing your balance there. So basically, those are the ways on how you can get your balance. And of course, you can from there or from your home, you can start like doing all the operation that you would like. For example, sending funds or requesting funds, depends on whatever you like. So as you can see, you can also find more way to request and other things. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.